In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Windows search is not working or not typing. So you cannot type in your Windows search bar. So let's go quick into the process. Right click at the start button and here you have to select Terminal Admin or PowerShell. Okay. So once you open the PowerShell window, I have some commands right here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. So let's copy the first command. Control C to copy. Minimize it. Now right click right here at the top and then select. If you have the edit option right here, then click on that. But if not, simply press Control V on keyboard and hit enter. Now copy the second command. Control C to copy. And then Control V to paste it. Hit enter. And wait for the process to be done. Now once done, then you have to close this window. But you need to wait for the process to be done. Okay, in your case, you have to wait for this process to be done. This might take a while. Okay, so once done, you have to close this. And then you need to restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then right click again at the start button, select Terminal Admin. Then we have to copy the third command from here. Control C to copy. And then right click or just simply Control V. Hit enter. Now once done, type exit. Hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then press Windows key and letter R button together. Type services.msc. Hit enter. Scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows search service. We need to make sure this is running. So once you find Windows search, make a right click, select properties, startup type, click on stop first. And then for the startup type, click on this drop down and choose automatic. Then click on start. Click on apply, click on OK, and then close this. And then again, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.